This is Mira heating. Today I am going to show you a heater, wall-mounted heater. The brand is Mira. The model number is MRC10 LCD glass panel. This heater is a glass made. So we are going to unbox the heater today for you. And okay, let's go. So when you buy when you order this heater from us, it will arrive in this box. And let's start unboxing. Here we go. And this is power cable. So you don't need to buy a power cable for the heater. This is the remote control, but it's optional. You have to buy this remote control if you want. There are pins to install this heater on the wall. The pins are coming, and the panel. These things are a console. It's called console. To install the heater on the wall, you will need these consoles. There's a console. This is actually not console. This is a leg. Put on the wall. These are warranty. Some documents and warranty cards. And this is the panel, up panel. And here is the heater. Here is the heater. The plastic bag is very tight, so because we want to make sure the heater arrives you in a good condition, not broken, not damaged. It's very important to us. This is the MRC heater, wall-mounted heater. You can use this heater for your cafeteria, for your restaurant, for your factory, anywhere outdoor. The panel is glass panel, glass-made panel, height residence glass. This is the digital panel. To turn on this heater, you can push this button. You can set the heater up or down. To turn off this heater, just push the button. The top panel, the pin. This is the power button to turn on heater, and also you can turn, just push. And the power cable, for the power cable plug-in, you need to put the cable, natural gas, here, and these are connectors, the panel. This is very useful heater. You can install by yourself on the wall. Everything comes with the heater. Plugins, cable. You don't need to buy anything from the Walmart or somewhere, because we will send you everything with the heater. So please contact us. You can use this heater for your restaurant, for your cafeteria, for your gasino, for your hotel, for your ship, everywhere outside. So if you want to buy this heater, please contact through our WhatsApp. Our number is 905444979180. Thank you for watching us, and please subscribe to our channel.